After years of design and months of assembly, the completed aircraft rolls out toward its first test flight. From raw materials to the open sky, this is how a private jet factory builds the future of luxury travel. In the paint hangar, the jet receives its final identity. A flawless exterior finish created. Massive fuselage sections are carefully aligned. They create the long, sleek body that will carry passengers across continents. The process starts with aircraft-grade aluminum, cut with extreme accuracy by powerful computer-controlled manufacturing machines. Thousands of rivets lock every structural panel into place, creating a body built to withstand immense pressure. Next, the wings take shape, filled with structural supports, fuel systems, wiring, and highly sensitive control equipment. With millimeter-level precision, each wing is joined to the fuselage, one of the factory's most dramatic engineering moments. Inside the aircraft, miles of electrical cables and hydraulic lines are installed. These communication systems are completed. Up front, the cockpit receives its digital brain, advanced displays, navigation systems, and controls designed for. Meanwhile, powerful jet engines are assembled and inspected, engineered to deliver speed, range, and a remarkable. Once the engines are mounted, the aircraft finally begins to resemble the luxury business jet its future owner. Lightweight carbon fiber is added to make the jet stronger, lighter, faster, and more fuel efficient.
Then comes the luxury.
Every owner can choose custom leather, rare wood, lighting, and interior finishes. Craftspeople hand-finish the seats, transforming technical aircraft components into a space designed for comfort and privacy. The empty shell becomes a flying lounge, complete with lie-flat seating and dining areas, and private sleeping space. Every cabin system is tested, from high-speed Wi-Fi and entertainment screens to lighting, climate control, and sound insulation. In the paint hangar, the jet receives its final identity. A flawless exterior finish created. Before its first flight, every system undergoes rigorous inspection, because perfection is not optional at 30,000. After years of design and months of assembly, the completed aircraft rolls out toward its first test flight. From raw materials to the open sky, this is how a private jet factory builds the future of luxury travel. With its structure complete, the aircraft is finally ready for a breathtaking luxury transformation. Pilots verify steering, braking, and ground handling before the aircraft leaves the runway. The moment finally arrives as the aircraft takes its very first flight. Test pilots carefully evaluate speed, stability, efficiency, and overall flight performance. The official delivery marks the beginning of a remarkable new journey. From raw materials to the open sky, this is how billionaires' private jets become engineering masterpieces. This isn't just an airplane. It's a flying palace worth tens of millions of dollars. Every private jet begins inside one of the world's most advanced aerospace factories. Months of engineering transform an owner's vision into an aircraft ready for production. Only the strongest and lightest materials are selected for maximum performance and safety. Computer-guided machines cut every panel with incredible accuracy, measured to fractions of a millimeter. The jet's fuselage slowly takes shape as thousands of precision parts come together.
Robotic systems install thousands of rivets to create an incredibly strong airframe.
Despite advanced robots, skilled technicians inspect every critical connection by hand. The wings are carefully built to provide strength, efficiency, and exceptional fuel economy. Attaching the wings is one of the most precise and critical moments of production. The aircraft's tail provides stability during every phase of flight. Powerful turbofan engines give these luxury aircraft speed, efficiency, and remarkable range. The landing gear is built to safely support thousands of landings throughout its lifetime.
Thousands of electrical connections power everything from navigation to luxury cabin lighting.
Hydraulic systems control the aircraft's flight surfaces with incredible precision. Before leaving the factory, every flight control is tested hundreds of times. The cockpit combines cutting-edge technology with the highest aviation safety standards. Behind every luxurious cabin lies a carefully engineered structural framework. Special insulation keeps the cabin quiet, comfortable, and energy efficient at high altitude. With its structure complete, the aircraft is finally ready for a breathtaking luxury transformation. Now the empty cabin becomes a personalized masterpiece, built around its owner's lifestyle. Every floor panel is handcrafted for beauty, durability, and reduced aircraft weight. Each leather seat is carefully stitched by skilled artisans for unmatched comfort. The VIP seating is installed with perfect alignment for comfort and safety. Rare hardwood veneers add warmth and timeless elegance throughout the cabin. Custom cabinetry transforms the cabin into a flying executive office. Some private jets even include a full bedroom for long international journeys. Luxury bathrooms offer hotel-level comfort while flying above the clouds.
A fully equipped galley allows gourmet meals to be prepared during flight. State-of-the-art entertainment keeps passengers connected anywhere in the world. Passengers control nearly every cabin feature with a simple touchscreen. Custom lighting creates the perfect atmosphere for work, dining, or relaxation.
Large panoramic windows fill the cabin with natural light and breathtaking views. The aircraft surface is polished until every panel is perfectly smooth. Specialized paint booths apply flawless finishes that protect the aircraft for years. Many owners choose unique paint designs that reflect their personal identity. The final polish gives the aircraft its unmistakable luxury appearance. Every navigation system is carefully calibrated for maximum precision and safety. Thousands of onboard systems are tested before the aircraft ever leaves the factory. With construction complete, the private jet is finally ready for its first flight tests. Before flying, the powerful engines undergo rigorous ground testing at full performance. Pilots verify steering, braking, and ground handling before the aircraft leaves the runway. Every moving surface responds perfectly to ensure safe and precise control. The moment finally arrives as the aircraft takes its very first flight. Test pilots carefully evaluate speed, stability, efficiency, and overall flight performance. The cabin is tested to ensure an exceptionally quiet and comfortable flying experience. Critical emergency systems are thoroughly tested before certification is approved. Inside, every detail reflects craftsmanship, worthy of the world's wealthiest travelers. Fine dining in the sky turns every journey into a first-class experience.
The official delivery marks the beginning of a remarkable new journey.
From raw materials to the open sky, this is how billionaires' private jets become engineering masterpieces. This isn't just an airplane. It's a flying palace worth tens of millions of dollars. Every inch of the aircraft is inspected to meet exact aerospace quality standards. Pilots verify steering, braking, and ground handling before the aircraft leaves the runway. The moment finally arrives as the aircraft takes its very first flight. From raw materials to the open sky, this is how a private jet factory builds the future of luxury travel.